All right, so some of you may remember some of the videos on the John Deere that I've done where I built this snowplow for it. Of course we have chains on it, but it's a John Deere 2016 John Deere 2025R. Great little tractor. And so what we've got is we got a tractor cab for it. One of my viewers, subscribers sent it to me, Liz and Corey Cullum. Sure appreciate that. So we're going to get that put on today. And this isn't going to be a how-to thing. It's just going to be kind of a video showing the cab going together and on it, and then we'll take it out and test it out. But we'll take some video of it, and so we'll make this video of putting the cab on the John Deere tractor. Hey, Mike with Finder's Garage back. Just received some stuff here in the mail, and just showed up a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see what we got here. It says from a viewer. We got Liz and Corey Cullum sent this to me. And it says, let's see if we can see, Original Tractor Cab Company. So, looks like it might be a cab for my tractor. They must have been watching some of my John Deere tractor videos where I was out plowing snow here in northern Michigan and decided to send this to me. So, we'll get this opened up and bring the tractor in. See what it takes to assemble it on the tractor. That's going to be nice. Should be a little bit warmer when I'm out plowing snow here in northern Michigan. Okay, well, GoPro shut off, so ended up getting these all unboxed. And so we'll just show you what we got. So here's the hardtop cab roof. Some brackets for mounting that, and then all the canvas for the doors and front and back. Then I got all the bracketry for it, all blistered pack, kind of a cool deal. Then I've got a this is the fused panel switch, so I can switches and turning lights on, the heater on, wiper on. This is for some work lights, front mirror, rear mirror, ceramic heater, and then there's a transportation cover. And then over here is the windshield. I haven't pulled it out yet, but it's got a windshield and then an electric wiper motor and for wiping the windshield. That'll be nice if it's snowing out. So yeah, we'll get kind of read through the instructions. Came with a decent set. The packing looks really good so far. Nothing damaged that I can see. Got a set of assembly instructions. There's a couple videos out there that I may refer to, but we'll see. But we'll see the original tractor cabs, and we'll see how the instructions go. What it says so far, I've understood, is we'll be able to, don't have to do any drilling supposedly. You can just mount it to existing bolt holes on the tractor itself. So we'll get started on it. Alright, so we gotta identify the right parts and get them started. So this one. This one. All right. One should go there. Right. And this one goes here. Here. All right, so I've got this bracket mounted, got this one here mounted. Same thing on the other side. This one and down here. So we'll move on to the next step. All right, so we got the rear posts and brackets on. Both right and left sides. And keep going. All right, got the top bracket on, got the ROPS brackets on, all just kind of loose right now. That's what they want, is everything's just loose. Next we'll be putting the door frames on. All right, well, we got the doors assembled and the frames all up just loosely, but got the doors assembled. I got little handles, which would be cool. Now what it wants me to do is tighten everything up, all the hardware. We'll get that tightened up and Move on to the next step. That's going to be pretty slick. All right, well, I got the front skirt on, or whatever they call it, the front panels. Got the doors on. Got the rear panel all velcroed in place. And windows are awful frosty. They must have an internal piece of plastic is what it says. So we'll peel them off, but that fits nice. Look at that. Fits real nice. We're gonna set the top on now. Oh, I gotta tighten them up. But so the doors, pretty slick. They just sit there like that. Push on it. It's not a real tight gap, but we'll see what happens when we get her done here. But that looks good. Yeah, this one looks good. Same thing, you can open either door. Doors are assembled. Yeah. Comes down around the foot wells there, nice. Okay, we're gonna put this windshield. What I got is instead of this plastic windshield, which comes with it, I bought so we're gonna put the windshield on, and what we got here is a safety glass one. What came with it was this comes with all the vinyl, but they sent this safety glass one here, so it's got a nice plastic frame with safety glass. So that should be pretty nice. So we're working on getting that in. All right. So got pretty much the cab itself installed. Got the front windshield in, top on. We'll pull this plastic off here. See what that's all about. We'll get that pulled off, but yeah, look, it got some nice fit to it. Very well thought out. Fits pretty good everywhere. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, that's just very cool. Let's see what it kind of come up here. There we go. Now we got some accessories. We've got the accessories that came with it. There's an electric windshield wiper arm, and let's see what else. We got a mirror, front and back mirrors here, rear, side. This is the power fuse station and switches, and that is the same thing. So anyways, and then the heater. So we'll get this stuff all installed. That's a transportation cover that you can put over the cab if you trailer it. Oh, what was this again? This is the work lights. That's got 2 work lights that we'll put on the top of it in the front, which will be very nice. I may add something to the back. We'll see. So we'll work on them, but yeah. Climb up in here and see what we got. Wow. Quite a bit of room. mean, a lot of room up above my head. Yeah, nifty. Nifty. And it's not necessarily, well, there's, see, that's pushing on the door. But boy, it's gonna keep a lot of the wind out for sure. And got some views here and here. Should be slick. Still move the arms. Yeah, we'll figure out where all the accessories go and go from there. All right, so they got the biggest option, or I don't know, the accessory is this ceramic heater. It's electric, 300 watts. It's got a switch, or we got heat or a fan. So in the summertime, it could always just turn the fan on, I guess. So let's see what we got here. It's a Road Pro. Anyways, we'll go through it. See if I can get it out. So you can see what it looks like. Yeah, there it is. Looks like that's coming off. Jeez, oh Pete. Oh well. It's got some fuses. Got all the wiring. So we'll find out what kind of fuse it takes. The goal would be to run it off the switch panel, fuse panel, that I'm going to have up in the inside corner here. So we'll figure it out. Okay. It's looking good though. Yeah, that's gonna be, I gotta tighten up the lights, get them adjusted once we get power and everything. But all right. Okay, well, cab is on, installed. I got my rear view mirror. I ain't put the wiper on yet, but I haven't got these real rigid. I'll tighten them up, but they've got to get wired. So I got all the wiring yet to do. I've got to figure out where to put this heater, the little ceramic heater. I don't know if it's going to be somewhere in here, but the bracket they send doesn't just plug and play like everything else here does. So I'm guessing up front here. We'll figure something out. I got a tube here and a tube here. We can come up with something. Kind of disappointed it isn't a plug and play, but looks good. A lot of visibility. A lot of visibility. I'm gonna go out and do a little plowing. But yeah, look at it. I mean, there's a lot of visibility. I can see my plow. I can see behind me in the mirrors. Lots of visibility here to the sides, out the back. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. And I get that doesn't seal there. There's quite a, oh, I see. Yeah, I will have to make a few adjustments here and there. It looks like a little gap there. Some gap down here on this door. We'll have to do some figuring, adjustments, minor. Anyways, looking good. We're gonna give it a try. All right. Well, seems like it's gonna work pretty good. It's got a little echoing of the exhaust in there, but just kind of a low thing, but not so bad with the headphones, but definitely warmer. And oh, we'll finish it up and get the heater. We'll probably just do a video on all the electrical part, but that's the installation of the new cab. And appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, like button, and let me know your comments of what you think of this cab. I think it's gonna work out pretty good. I hope so. Anyways, we're gonna give it plow the rest of this winter with it. And what's nice is you can take those doors off for the summertime. Appreciate you watching. Sure appreciate you guys. Thanks, Liz and Corey. And we got her on. We'll I'll do a video on the electrical part a little later. So remember, have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.